Inworld has always had great pricing and TTS performance, so naturally I'm very excited about the launch of version 1.5 of their new text-to-speech model. Not only are the voices great for things like customer service, but with the release of version 1.5, they're up to 5 times faster.
This is Lava Customer Service. How can I help you?
But what fans of Inworld know is that they're really great for entertainment applications where you need voices with a little more character.
Foolish mortal, you dare to enter my realm.
This makes it perfect for my second iteration of the tabletop simulator, fully voiced by interactive Inworld characters. The simulator now has quests, improved combat, trading, and dynamic creation of locations. This is all open source. You can clone the repo and you can customize and run your own agents to let you play a real-time game of your own. Let's play. Now, the great thing about Dungeons and Agents is that we can play it with voice, but we can also play it with text.
Welcome to Dungeons and Agents. Let's create your character. The Stormhaven Tavern is lively. Fire crackles and ale flows as Grimjaw the barkeep wipes his hands, eyeing you expectantly.
I want to talk to the barkeep about the missing caravans.
Evening, Shane. Heard you've come about those missing caravans. There's talk of shadows near the old road, and not many dare travel after dusk.
He leans closer, lowering his voice as the tavern's din grows.
Okay, I'll head out to the market to gather some more rumors.
You make your way toward the market gate, the night air thick with anticipation.
Okay, I'll kind of listen quietly to the things that are around me to see if I can hear any rumors.
You catch whispers about nervous merchants and late deliveries, but nothing clear reaches your ears through the bustling crowd.
Okay, let's go directly up to one of the villagers.
Evening. Have you heard what Barkeep Mort was saying about those missing caravans? Folk are all on edge lately.
The villager glances around nervously, confirming
You're very
the market's
helpful. Thank you.
The villager smiles shyly and nods in gratitude before melting back into the crowd.
All right, you know what? Let's test combat. Spawn one goblin.
A goblin appears before you. Don't underestimate them.
Okay, I attack the goblin.
Goblin dodges your attack. Shane dodges Goblin's attack.
Okay, attack again.
Critical hit. You strikes Goblin for 9 damage. You catch your breath, safe for now.
As usual, all the code for this demo is open source. So to try out Inworld TTS 1.5, just swap out the model name in your LiveKit inference code. Or if you want, you can open up the agent builder and you can try it for your next MVP because it's already active there. So try out the model. We can't wait to hear what you think.